So 2019 is finally here, guys. It's finally upon us. And with this new year comes plenty of new smartphones that I know you guys are going out and getting. So today I have an array of wireless chargers for you guys to definitely check out for your new smartphone. Not one, not three, but 5 wireless chargers. Well, actually, one of them's not wireless, but it's Type-C. And I think it's pretty useful because it has a hoop. I promise you guys, this video is not sponsored by TYLT. They did not pay me to do anything. It's just they had all this stuff and it looks pretty cool and it was pretty affordable. So I got a bunch of stuff by TYLT. Simple as that. So this first one I have here, guys, it is it's pretty much the new Google stand that came out, but it's from TYLT. It has the same functionality. It lays flat. It can go up on a slant like so docked position. And it even comes with a Type-C port. I was not expecting that, to be honest. This is a 10-watt power charger, so it actually is exactly like the Google stand. Google wireless charger. It comes with a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. You can see by the green right there. Oh yes. So it will support all that charging speed, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty, so bonus. Alright, they include a rather nice Type-C cord. Oh, it doesn't have that bridge in the middle of it. Awesome. They went ahead and spent the extra couple pennies. Also, there's an LED light on the power adapter, so it lights up when you plug it in. I always like that because for some reason sometimes my outlets cut out of power and then I have to go and press that reset button, so a little light to know when it's doing its thing is helpful. So simple enough, guys. You just take your phone, drop it right on there, and it starts charging. And this charging pad also has triple array, I believe, so multiple positions that you can put your phone onto it from. So voila. Okay, next up on our roster we have another wireless charging stand, but this one's different. As you can see, it comes, I don't know why, but it's a dome shape. You lay it down flat and you can twist it and put it in a stand like the other one. This one is 10-watt power charging, so fast wireless charging. You get your Qualcomm 3.0 fast charging brick, and you get a oh, never mind, this is not a Type-C charger. This uses micro USB. So there is a difference, I suppose. Okay, something a little different about this one actually. It has these rubber bands on it going around in a circle on there, as you can see, and they actually stick to your phone. So if this thing gets bumped or something, your phone doesn't go sliding right off. It's stuck to it. Yeah, as you can see. So you just twist it around to get it in landscape mode, and it's a good thing it's sticky because then your phone can't slide off of it. And I recommend putting your phone in the right place at the first try. There is another LED indicator light on this one as well, so you know that it's working if you see that light. Alright, next up we got one for you, all you Grubhub, Uber, and Lyft, or just taxi drivers, or people that just want to charge your phone while you drive. This way, you don't have to plug in your phone and mess around with any wires and worry about jamming any ports while you're driving. I've done that before. Don't do what I did. If your phone can charge wirelessly, why not do it? You're not messing around with none of that junk. You just bloop. This one comes with a much shorter USB cable. I mean, kind of figures. You're in your car. Everything is compact. Unfortunately, this time around, it is not fast charging. It just charges at your standard 5 watts. Ooh. Ooh, that fits in there real nicely. I thought that was going to have more resistance than that. And you can spin it. Wow, I was not expecting that. It goes 180, so you can, you know, spin it when it's in your air vent, because it goes into the air vent with these little prongs. And there's the, oh, it's on both sides. Alright, there's your LED indicator light. This is charging, and it works just like that. Pretty sturdy hold too, so if you're going over a bumpy road, it stays. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, next up we got this guy. Nothing too fancy about this one. It doesn't charge wirelessly, but it still has a USB port and it charges up pretty fast. It comes with a 35 milliamp hour battery, so it will charge your phone up one full time, give or take, depending on the size of your phone battery. And it comes charged straight out of the box, so we can use it right away. And I apologize if I'm going a little too quick through these things, but I've been being told that my videos are way too long, so I'm just trying to cover the key aspects of all these products. And remember, all of these TYLT items, everything from TYLT actually, comes with a 1-year warranty. Again, I'm not being paid or promoted by TYLT in any way. I am just liking their stuff. Here you have your USB-A connector. It goes and plugs right into itself, so it makes a hoop so you can attach it to anything you want. And this little Type-C charger right here just slides right up in there. Real smooth and sleek, and there you go. Now it just looks like you have a little capsule. Easy enough, right? So you just take this, plug it right into the bottom of your phone, press the button, charged out of the box, my ass. Okay, so I charged it up a little bit, and you guys know what to do. Just plug it in and it's good to go. Alright, so here's the one I've really been waiting to open. This is the one I'm probably going to keep for myself. Well, I'm going to keep this one and the car charging one. Maybe the stand too, the one that goes in 3 different positions and stuff, because that one's cool and it has a Type-C port. But this guy right here, this thing is cool. It is a wireless charger. Yeah, I said that right. Wireless. You can, it's a power bank that charges wirelessly. It is a 4,000 milliamp hour power bank. It has a fast charging Type A port, so it charges fastly straight from the port in here. And yeah, it's a little pebble shaped thing that charges wirelessly. Let's open it. Oh, and I forgot to say another reason I like TYLT, right there on the box. Every product you buy from them, they plant a tree, and that is very, very noble of them, and I respect that. This thing is a little smaller than I anticipated. Okay, so in the box you get your PEBBLE and the tiniest micro USB charger ever. It's 3 inches long. Get that out of here. Alright, so it comes with a little strap, so you can put it on a keychain or attach it to whatever your heart's content. And there's your USB port, fast charging like I said, and your micro USB in port to charge it up. Does it come with a charge? Yes it does, it's fully charged, unlike the other one. Okay, so simple enough guys. You just, there's LED indicator on this one as well, just like the others, so good way to keep tradition TYLT. And simple enough, you just drop it right on the PEBBLE and it starts charging. Yep, there you go. I read there was only one review on this thing, which is pretty odd. I'm surprised no one else has bought this thing off of Amazon. And the review I read, it said that the thing was slippery, but it's actually not. It's actually kind of got this like rock feel to it. But just these tiny, tiny little. It feels like sandpaper, I'd say, but not sandpaper. It's rubber, obviously. But yeah. I don't think. No, it's not slippery, so you're all good there. This holds your phone pretty well, and you can plug it up and charge it with your Type-C charger if you like. So there you have it, folks. That was 5 very great and very cheap wireless charging devices. Well, minus this one, of course. So, if you like this video, go ahead and make sure to leave it a like down below. I know you see that button down there. Go ahead and click it. If you dislike this video, well, you know where that button is too. Please subscribe so you do not miss anything in the future. I have gotten in the habit of pumping these videos out quicker, so hit that subscribe button so you will get my videos in your feed and not miss anything. Or this adorable face. Before I go, I have 2 last messages to say. Remember, folks, always stay positive. And you guys really, really need to start using your freaking turn signal. You know who you are. Yes, you're thinking about it right now, like, oh my god, is he talking to me? Yeah, I'm talking to you. I almost crashed into you. So, for the love of God, use your freaking turn signal before I do get in an accident with your dumbass and we have problems. And it's just safe and common courtesy and nobody knows what you're doing. So yeah, use those turn signals and stay positive.